I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you solution of a question from my subscriber, Raymond. Raymond, thanks a lot for posting this question. Your question was related with vectors. However, I've changed it to normal standard form of lines. The question here is, find the equation of the locus of the points which moves so that its distance from the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0 is 3 times its distance from the line 12x minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. So we can apply the distance formula from a point to both these lines and equate it to 3 times with the other line. So the formula, as you know, is 3x plus 4y minus 5. So let x and y be a point. Then the distance from xy to this line will be 3x plus 4y minus 5 divided by square root of 3 square plus 4 square, right? Always distances are positive values, so we write absolute, right? From the other line, it is 12x minus 5y plus 2 divided by square root of 12 square plus minus 5 square, you can write here. And as you know, this distance is 3 times that, so we'll multiply this by 3. So that is how you get your equation to work with. Now I think you can solve, so let's solve it now. We could write this as 3x plus 4y minus 5 over 3 square plus 4 squares square root is 5, as you know, 25 square root equals to 3 times. The function inside could be positive or negative, so what we do is we write this as 12x minus 5y plus 2 with a positive negative sign. Is it okay? The denominator will be 12 square plus 5 square square root, which is 13. So these are perfect squares. So we get 13 here. Now we can cross multiply and simplify. So we get 13 times 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to plus minus 5 times 3 is 15. So I'll multiply this part with 15 minus 5y plus 2. Now we can open this bracket. So 13 times 3 is 39, x times 4 is 52, y, and then we have 65 equals to plus minus 12 times 15 is, I think, 180. 15 times 12 equals to 180. Okay, so let's keep this handy. 180x and 15 times 5, 75. And 2 is 30. Okay. So from here, we can actually get 2 equations, and these are the 2 required lines which will have the points which are 3 distance from 1. Okay, as given in the question. So what you can do from now is we can actually from here make 2 equations. So let's write one as 39x plus 52y minus 65 equals to, with plus sign, we can write this as 180x minus 75y plus 30. And the other equation I'll write on the right side. Okay, so I'll write the other equation as 39x plus 52y minus 65 equals to, with the negative sign, so all signs will change inside, minus 180, that becomes plus 75y, and then this becomes minus 30. Okay, let's solve them separately to get both the equations, right? So we could write 0 equals to 180. Let me take this on the right side. We have 180x minus 75y plus 30. Take away 39x minus 52y plus 65, right? So we get 0 equals to, you can do 180 minus 39, 180 minus 39, that gives you 141. Minus 75 and 52, they just add up. So it is negative, and 2, 5 is 7, 7, 5 is 12, 127y. And 30 and 65, when you add, you get 95. So that becomes one equation. The other one is, we can bring these terms to the left side, and we can write this as 39x plus 52y minus 65 plus 180 minus 75y, 180x I mean, okay, and then plus 30 equals to 0. So if you add the x terms, 9 and 8 and 3, 11, 1, and then 219x, 52 and 75, that is take away. Okay, let's do 75, 52 minus 75 equals to minus 23y, and we get minus 35 equals to 0, right? So we get two different solutions. Let me highlight these. One of them is 219 minus 25. The other one is this, correct? So these are the two solutions. Anyway, I hope you understand the steps involved. So it's kind of applying the distance formula. So we basically applied the distance formula. If you have ax plus by plus c equals to 0, standard form equation, then the distance d from any point, let's say the point is x1, y1, then the distance is ax1 plus by1 plus c over, I mean, this is the absolute value, a square plus b square. So this is the distance formula which we have applied. Distance is always a positive value to solve this question. I hope that helps. Feel free to post your suggestions and comments. Thanks for watching. All the best.